So for example, if I set a key combination 1, 2, 1,
I.
it will input an I, and so on. And if I do 1, 1, 4, it'll delete it. And 4, 3 will bring me back home. So I was thinking this is actually a really, really great way of accessing the grid more quickly if you don't have the ability to perhaps use eye gaze or direct select, and have the ability to press more than one switch, so you don't have to do switch scanning. And then I got to thinking, oh my God, Adafruit makes this super cool Neokey emoji keyboard that was meant to just uh, give you shortcuts to creating emojis. But man, how cool would it be if you could use this little gadget, plug it into your computer, have your keys. It uses Cutie Pie and a 1x4 Neokey grid, and then some mechanical keyboards. And the really cool thing about mechanical keyboards is that the gaming community makes them with a whole bunch of like force requirements and clickiness, and so you can actually really make these very light touch accessible also. And so I modified the code for this existing project right here. Adafruit does a great job of like walking you step by step through the code. They also have 3D print files for the assembly, how to put it all together. So I pretty much just went through and did what they told me, and then I just slightly modified the code so that it will send the number 1, 2, 3, or 4 instead of doing the emoji keyboards. And this modified code is available on the gist link that I included below. So I'm going to just do like a really quick overview of what that looks like. Okay, so now you'll see I have my little Neo Trinky set up, and I have my 4 keys set up. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And now I also have my Huffman input method turned on. So now I can just very gently place my hands over the keys, and now I can try and type just using my 4 fingers.
I. Want.
Want.
Food.
Food.
Potato.
Potato.
Green
Green
beans.
beans. And so now if I press 4, 4,
I
I
want
want
potato
potato
green
green
beans.
beans. If I want to delete, I'll press 1, 1, 1. If I want to delete the full screen, 1, 1, 2. If I want to go back home, 4, 1. And this is actually a really cool, you can also do an input keyboard typing that way. So I can actually even go ahead and type using this method.
H.
H.
I.
I.
Hi.
Hi. Right, so this is a super quick video on how to use AsTeRICS Grid and Adafruit's Neokey emoji keyboard to facilitate faster and quicker augmentative communication. Cool, thanks.